Both CEOs, CBS CEO Joe Iannello, Viacom CEO Bob Bakish, writing internal memos to employees. A few headlines from these. One, they do acknowledge that there will be job losses from this merger as expected, from any merger where there's going to be synergies. So they both allude to this and also say the deal should close in 3 to 4 months. That is a shortened amount of time, mostly driven from the fact that both of these two companies have the same controlling shareholder, National Amusements, owned by the Redstone family. That shortens the length of time that the deal should take to close. They also allude to more deals coming up in the future. And I want to throw in one nugget that I picked up, not in the letters, but just from being on the phone over the last few minutes talking to people involved in the deal. One thing that struck me is that CBS is actually the buyer in this deal. They come away with more of the company. But the company is called Viacom CBS. So I was asking people, was there some sort of tension here, or what was the reason for naming it Viacom CBS instead of, say, CBS Viacom? People telling me that Viacom is sort of the brand name here for the holding company. CBS is more of the consumer brand, one brand within what they hope will be an ever-growing media company with various different brands in here. So it will be interesting if this company does, in fact, do other deals, if we actually see that CBS lop off over time and just have the whole company called Viacom in the months or years to come.
Or if they just keep adding the words on the end with no spaces or hyphens.
Right, exactly. Viacom, CBS, Lionsgate, Discovery. I can't wait.
Viacom, CBS, Discovery, Roku, Sony. It'd be great. Alex, as always, thanks very much.
Thanks.
Charlie Bobrinskoy, you've been a bull on these two stocks, awaiting this merger for a while. What's your take on all the action today?
Glad to see it finally happened. It was a week late. We wanted it to happen on your and my birthday, Wolf, but we'll take it. Look, we think they're saying $500 million in synergies. We think they might be lowballing that. We think they could end up being closer to 750. These two stocks are just very, very cheap. 7-8 times forward earnings after the $500 million in synergies, and we're going to have growth next year in earnings. We think the stocks are way too cheap. And there's a lot of talk today about how this combined company might make acquisitions. We think, frankly, it's a very good acquisition target, that this combined company is real scale for somebody, for an acquirer. So we love the deal. I don't personally love the name. I wish they'd gone CBS Viacom, but we like management. We like everything about this, but maybe not quite so much the name.
When you say scale for an acquirer, are there names that you think would be in the market for this newly combined company?
Yeah, I don't want to do that today, but I think there are a lot of people. I think, obviously, a lot of the telecommunications companies, the link between telecommunications and media is continuing to get tighter. There were rumors in the past. I don't want to go down that road, but I do think this company has more negotiating power than it used to. People were worried that Viacom didn't have the ability to negotiate with the distributors. The combined company has much better negotiating power. And frankly, we're going to have real earnings growth. Don't sleep on the political spend that's going to happen next year, which is going to drive very strong earnings growth at this combined company.